Hey friends, what you just saw was me playing with my rope. This rope is cotton and it is a 1-inch diameter. Now you don't have to use exactly that, but I found that this one in 1-inch diameter cotton works well for how I use it. Now the other component is how long is it? This particular one is 68 inches. You could make it longer, you could make it shorter. You could take two of them and just wrap, so you had a handle, and use it if you wanted more weight or a shorter length or something like that. There's all sorts of things that you can do with these. Now what you saw me do was basic circling and whipping and patterns that way, which is really an excellent way without too much weight to give some significant non-compressive work to your shoulders. Your digital dexterity is enhanced, your wrists, your elbows, it all works really well. So get yourself one of these and watch my videos to see what to do with them.